Since we ran our item on the Englishest pub in the world, we've discovered a similar competition here in Wales. Who would have thought? However, on this occasion, they're looking for the Welshest pub in the world, the Welshest street in the world, and the Welshest shop in the world. So here we are on the Welshest street in the world, Stryd y Plas, or Palace Street, to find out more about the competition. And joining me is one of the organisers, Bethan. Now, let me get this right. Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig. How did I do?
Not bad at all. And it's Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig.
So, Bethan, tell me, why did you organise this competition?
We wanted to showcase the businesses using the Welsh language and show that it makes real business sense.
But here in Gwynedd, over 70% of the population speak Welsh. Are you telling me that some businesses don't use the language?
I'm afraid so.
That is remarkable. Anyway, how has the competition gone?
Really well. We've had more than 6,000 votes.
6,000 votes? That's more people than voted for the dog in Britain's Got Talent. Who were the winners?
As voted for by the public, the Welshest street is Stryd y Plas, the Welshest pub is the Black Boy, and the Welshest shop is Becws Islyn in Aberdaron.
Well, can I personally congratulate them, as they've all embraced the Welsh language and shown what a benefit it can be to business. So where next? Will there be a competition next year? Surely there must be.
Not necessarily. Our aim was to start a conversation about our language, our identity, and the economy.
Well, good luck with that one. Anyway, I'm gasping for a drink. Any suggestions?
How about the Welshest pub in the world?
Sounds like a plan to me. Okay, let me try this. Gai, dau, paint, o cwrw, Glyndawr.
Cwrw Glyndŵr?
Yes, 2 of them, please. Iechyd da!